Hey friends, it's me, the Traveling Maker here. Today I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy Whole30 compatible chicken salad. I'm all about food prep when I do Whole30 because it just saves time. I don't have to wonder what I'm going to eat. I already know that I have it ready to go, quick and easy. It makes me stay on the Whole30 lifestyle. Everyone's really busy schedules. One way that you can save time on your Whole30 is go to the deli of your local grocery store, get yourself a rotisserie chicken. It's already cooked, takes all of the thought out of it, and then what we're gonna do is shred the chicken, just pull it apart, and then you've got your chicken ready for your chicken salad. How easy is that? So to it, I cut up some grapes. I just love the crunch and the color that these grapes give it. I've got some celery, so I'm just gonna add that in. Again, I love a good crunch in a chicken salad. Who doesn't love the color? How about some water chestnuts? Just add a can of those right on in there. Then we got a little bit of black pepper. Gotta season it up, make it taste really good. One thing that I hear a lot on people's Whole30 journey is they don't like that they're eating the same thing. All you have to do is add a little bit of different spices to something and you get a whole different menu. So you might be thinking, how can I make chicken salad Whole30? Enter Primal Kitchen. They take the guesswork out for you. You don't have to read the label because they have it right here. It says Whole30 approved. I got my chicken salad all ready. A couple ideas for you that you can use to mix up your lunches for the week after you've food prepped. You can put this on Whole30 approved wraps. You can put it with crackers that are Whole30 approved. Remember, just look for the label. Also, up your salad game. Put this over some mixed greens or find yourself some lettuce wraps. You've got a whole different way to use the chicken salad all week. All right, it's the best part of the video. It's taste test time. I brought my dad in. He's a condiment freak, so we'll see if he notices what I did. There you go.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah? Primal Kitchen, thanks for making a great brand. Well, I hope this recipe helps you on your Whole30 journey. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out the links below so you can get some Primal Kitchen of your own.